Indian dishes are vastly diverse, and not to mention delicious because of the variety of flavors and regions. Indian cuisine is continually put on foodie lists all over the world. But that's not all. Indian cuisine is healthy. Authentic Indian recipes are full of organic ingredients that are proven to be healthy. Examples include common Indian spices like turmeric that help with inflammation, prevention of Alzheimer's, and improve heart health. Being plant-based, Indian cuisine is rich in a variety of grains, nuts, pulses, and seeds that provide healthy oils. It's the myriad health benefits of Indian cuisine that make Indian food and spices preferred on menus at many a detox retreat. There's nothing like the experience of stopping at a chaiwala on an Indian street and ordering a steaming cup of chai.
Indians make masala chai by brewing black tea with milk and mixture of aromatic spices and herbs. Traditionally, the chai recipe calls for green cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, ground cloves, ground ginger, black peppercorn, and black tea leaves.
If you've never experienced good naan bread, your life has been much less delicious than it could be. Naan is a leavened, oven-baked flatbread. You normally serve naan with all meals.
Though a lot of traditional Indian food uses meat, there are plenty of Indian vegetarian dishes.